Alright guys, third time's a charm hopefully. April 1st is coming up to about 12 noon. We're going to re-base coat the panel. We've just got it scrubbed down with 400 grit. We'll base coat that, let it dry, then come back and we're going to do the, this time an 1/8 of an 1/8. So we're going to reduce the quantity of that pearl by half again and see what this panel looks like. The only other alternative that I think I might want to do, but we'll see how this one turns out, is I might want to try to go to an 1/8 of an 1/8 of the satin pearl. The one I sprayed yesterday, when I get it out in the sun, I'm not quite sure if I think it might be a little bit too sparkly, a little bit too over the top. Anyway, let me spray this and we'll come back and we'll check it out once this panel is done. Alright guys, we're ready to spray the intercoat clear with the pearl. Got the panel all taped up, ready to go. So it's decision time whether I want to go with the subtle silver satin ghost pearl or the silver ghost pearl. Yesterday we did the silver ghost pearl and I quite like the way it turned out, although I think it's a little bit sparkly. So I might try to tone that down a bit and go with the satin, but obviously we're going to reduce the amount of the pearl in the clear once again. So we're probably going to go down to a 1/16. So we'll take that 1/8 teaspoon measure and we'll divide that into 8 versus the 4 that we divided into 2 yesterday. So let's go ahead and we'll do that, mix up some clear again, and we'll shoot this panel and see how this comes out. So wish me luck. Again, we can always do another one if need be. I've still got some blue paint left, so, and I've got lots of metal, so we'll just continue to do this until we get it right. So anyway, like I said, we'll go with the satin ghost pearl and we'll see how that works out. Okay, here we go. So we're going to use one of these little guys and we'll throw it in our clear, mix that up. So we'll see how we do this time. Wish me luck. Alright guys, just coming up to about 7:30 and we're just checking out today's panel. So this is with the satin pearl, and you can see it's looking not too bad. Again, some trash in the clear coat, but that's to be expected in this garage. Let me just move over here. So it's looking not too bad. Again, I'll try to get the 3 out in the sun tomorrow for comparison side by side, and you can have a look. I'm not sure whether I'm going to do one more panel, one more spray out with the regular pearl, the silver pearl, at a lower ratio in the clear. We'll have to wait and see, but I'll just dry overnight. Like I said, we'll have a look at it again tomorrow.